5, 2019. Let's just get right up. I know what this one might be of, but at the same time, I don't. Okay. That's not a stop. That is not a stop. No turn signal, and he's over the line. Wow, you see this? Look at this. I don't see a turn signal. There's no flashy, there's no nothing. What a turn. Clearly looking at me, by the way that looks. And I think I have my arm out the window, like, really? I stop. I don't think anything else happens. It's like, really? Wow. And I think she continues to be all over the line, too. All the way up to the hill, I believe. Because I'm pretty sure that's what happened. Now we keep going. Keep on going. This one's going to be a bit long, so I'm going to try and speed it up. Sorry, guys. But due to there not really being much else, I don't see a big reason for me to kind of include the whole video, since I'm giving commentary, editing it, and whatnot. I think something's supposed to happen in this one. Don't really remember. Oh, it's a little bump. There's a bump right here that I hate. They fixed it now. It's a birdie. They fixed it now, but back then, during this time, it was terrible. I think it was a... No, was it that vehicle? I don't remember what it was. Or was it this one? Because he looks like he... Did he pass one? Kind of looks that way. Maybe not. I don't know, but... Why did I add this one? I would have run the dead animal. I was like, I ain't running that over. Okay, this guy got super close. And as you can tell, I go over to the right. I don't like people getting close to me. I hate it. There are times where I swerve towards him, and then there's times I swerve away. Well, I guess I pay attention to him. I slow down to 45. Alright, enter town. Everything is all fine. It's fine. Still continue. That guy hits the line. Of course. I ain't gonna tell if everybody else hits the line, because I'm trying to pay attention forward as well. See if I don't miss anything, you know? Now you don't see anything, and all of a sudden this white van just... And now that's not a stop. That's a yield. Practically what they did. And it should be not this one. It's the next one here. And I believe that to be a stop sign by the looks of it. That's clearly a stop sign. So they blew the stop sign, which is what I see all the time with people. They don't want to go. They don't want to stop. They got like places to be. There's like, no. I think there's red truck as well. See, I rest my case. I don't know. Does he? No, he doesn't even use a turn signal either. And also not going the speed. And I have to say, I don't like the brake. I'm going my speed. If you don't go the speed, then I'm going to go close to you. There's no reason for you to jump out like that and not go speed. Does that guy not stop? No, he does not. He also does not stop, and I don't think I can see his turn signal from here, so... And then we keep on going. I think we're going like 55 because he's got stuff in the trunk. That guy is on that line. I can't get a good view of him and see if he's paying attention or not, sadly. So I'm going 55 because he doesn't want stuff falling out. Still going 55, such and such. It's gonna look like I'm swerving. What the heck? All of a sudden it cuts. Huh. Oh, probably because there's nothing from the other one. My bad. So, we're making our way along. Okay, I can't see much. Okay, see a car just speeding up to it. He's probably not gonna stop. No, but he's going left, so he's gonna stop. But surprisingly, he did. Most of the time, they don't. He stopped before it. Nice. Surprising. Continue. He came close to the line. Very close to the line. Keep on going. So I'm still going 65, slowing down to 45. That guy's near the line too. You guys can judge on that. Granted, I didn't show it here. Let me slow it down. Yeah, you guys can judge that. If you think he's in the wrong or not, I don't really care. So I make my right, you know, because we're this lane. I don't need to slow down. So I switch lanes. That guy doesn't have a turn signal. The way I can say it is because these newer cars, it will turn that off and have a turn signal instead. I don't know why that's a thing. I don't really like it. That guy's just gone. I don't... Well, it looks like a C, but I can't tell if he did it earlier or not. So I apologize. But I did see him swerve. I was like, why is he swerving? Because you see him swerve right and then go left. I was like, why is he... And I was like, oh, just run over the stick. Oh, whoops. Can't run over that stick. Now, that car was there. But man, and this car, honestly, this car here, looks like he's over the line. Yeah, he's definitely over the line. No turn signal. Right? Oh, he had a turn signal. But I'm going 35. And I've already told you this. I don't like to brake. If you're going to jump out, you go to speed. You know, you shouldn't be going slow. I'm going 35. No, another thing. They always brake on here. Like the turn's so bad. But as you can tell, it's just a little bump. I think that guy crossed the line. I'm sorry if I annoy you guys by me going back and forth. It looks like he did. I don't know. You guys can do a bit more better judging than me. I usually can't tell properly. I'm gonna skip ahead here to the favorite part. It's a bike. Hopefully that kid didn't get hit. Knowing these streets, it's a possibility. Near the line. Oh, whoops. I'm sorry, guys. So you got this car here. What's the stop sign? Yep. Let's just go on through. I got stuff to be and stuff to do. I don't got time to stop. What about this guy? Does he stop? No, look at that. He's like, no. Brakes don't work. Let's just go on through. And then you got me stopping. That guy... Ooh, barely. I think that guy stopped because he didn't know what I was doing. I stopped to wait. I waited to see what you do. Speed up to 40 and we just go. Like as soon as I made that corner. You can... Well, I guess you can't really tell, but I did speed up to 40. I usually do. Heading on to work. You switch lane? Oh, he is in that lane. Oh, you're all over there. Never mind. That guy switches lanes, goes from the right lane to the left lane. I didn't see a turn signal. It looked like he went just down the center of the road there. I think that guy did the same thing, didn't he? Looks that way. Yeah, he did, because he's coming towards me now. Yeah, he definitely did the same thing. With no turn signal, I believe. Come up here, light turns green, and we just go. You going up to 40 right away? Man, that guy, look at him go. Now, I don't know if that guy stopped. I can't really see him. It doesn't look like he stopped, but I don't know if he stopped further back. Because it looks like he uses forward. Yeah, he just goes. He just went. Get up over the hill. This guy brakes. Oh, dang it. This guy brakes. Cool. Right? And then all of a sudden... Oh, I thought he made a right. Did he make a last minute right? I thought this car went right. Was I wrong? Oh, I was wrong. Well, I'm going 30. That trucker's like, nope, I got mail to run. I ain't got time to go slow. That's what it was. No turn signal, nothing. Make a right. This guy, I got a little mad about because it looked like he was going to go in my lane. Because, I mean, look at that. He's right on the line. Wait, hold on. I thought that flashed. Like a turn signal or something. She's got stuff in her hand. Speed up to 30. Just continuing with my day. Wait, hold on. I'm sorry. I missed that. Oh, yeah, turn signal. Never mind. I'm sorry. But that he did have a turn signal for. Yep, no turn signal. Now these I couldn't tell you. They look like that silver white one didn't have one. He had one. I think one of these. Oh, maybe not. Slowly moving. I'm just like, what's going on? Why are we going so slow? Truck comes too far forward there, almost into the walking lane. And then hard brake. And look at him. No turn signal, no nothing. When he's gonna go in the park, I'm just like, you know what? I'm good to clear. And I floor around him. So I'm like, I ain't doing with this. You need to use a turn signal, whatnot. And then you got this guy. This guy technically sped. Because he wasn't even behind me. He was in this lane. Because he was this guy here, and I just sped up and went around, sped up to 30. And I guess this guy didn't like it. Or no, I guess he did stay the same speed, but he has to switch lanes. And that's the thing. If he was in that lane to begin with, people just can't pick up their lanes. Like this guy. Look at it. I'm going 30 right on the spot, and it's 25 miles per hour. Like, you're in that big of a hurry just to be in my lane. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. People just can't pick a lane. I hate it. It's not hard to figure out, I want this lane, I want that lane, and then pick it. Now you speed up on that guy, and guess what? You have to brake. You have to hard brake. And then, of course, you got this truck that's in a hurry. Probably going 40 or 45 over the speed zone. It's just like, really, people? You're in that big of a hurry. It makes no sense to me. You know? It just doesn't. You're in a big hurry for what? Well, I guess this wraps up something like this one. I think there's some more here. Maybe... Nope. I think there's one more, though. This one. Now, I'm sorry it's raining. I don't really remember what I saw, per se, in this one, considering it's so hard to see. So I'm just going to speed through it. I apologize if it's worse or anything like that, because I don't even remember what this one was. So I'm going to try and make this quick as possible. I don't really remember. Yeah, I don't remember this one. So I don't think this one really had anything in it. I don't remember. I guess I'd say that first car. I mean, like, he's gone completely. That's the only thing I would say, that that car was speeding. Other than that, I didn't see anything else, so I could say this dash cam 1 is finished. Hope you enjoy.